Hello and welcome to Mentor MMA channel. Our today's focus is on converting your data into good-looking graphs. How you can do that, how you present your data, not in boring tables, but more in good-looking graphs. How would you do that? There's the easiest option available within Excel, and that's what we will be sharing today with you. So let's take an example that this is your data, and you want to present it in a graph form. All you need to do is that you select what you want to convert into a graph and then go to Insert option from the top menu. And in the Insert option, you have various different types of graphs, and you can change your graph based on the data that you need to present and what you think would be the best option for your data. And when you click on it, you would see which graphs are available. There are various different types of graphs like 2D column, 2D line, 2D pie, and then 3D and other options are also available in all of them. You can start with simple graphs and then you can move ahead and do other graphs as it suits you. Okay, now let's, for example, to present this data, we say that we'll use a 3D pie graph. So you just click on it and your graph is ready. And you just saw that it was presented like this. However, you have various options. You can simply click on it and you can spread it a little so it looks a little better. You can take one pie out if you want. So these are the things that you can play with, and you can change your graph to look a little different from what is added by standard graph that you have inserted. Moreover, when you insert a graph and when you click on it, so if you click out, those options will disappear. So you need to click in it. When you have clicked on a graph, you see a new option come up on top that says chart design. From here, you can control all various chart design options. We will cover that in a different video where we will be deep diving on the graph topic. In today's video, this is a video for refreshers. Now that you have inserted this graph, you see on top a option called chart design. Within that option, if you hover over, you see these different types of graphs presented to you. So this is for you to review that how you can present your graph in various different ways. If you are not comfortable with making changes on your own, then you could simply choose one of the design from here. And you don't even need to click. I'm just hovering over those, and then your graph is shown in that particular style. So whichever style you like, you can click on it and that gets applied on your graph that you just created. And then you can drag drop this one, place it wherever it suits for you. That's how you can quickly insert a graph in Microsoft Excel. Let's do one more example for this data. We select two columns from here, then we go to insert. And for this one, let's say a 2D bar graph would make sense. So we inserted a 2D bar graph for this data, and same chart design appears, and you can choose whichever chart looks better for your data. And when you have decided, you could simply complete that and then drag your graph to any place on your Excel sheet, or you can also take it to another Excel sheet or another Excel workbook. So this is the easiest way of creating graphs from your Excel data. So I hope you liked this video. If you did, please like, comment, and subscribe our channel. Thank you very much. Bye-bye.